Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox this Amazon product. I had purchased it from Amazon. So let's unbox this. I got this product in 180 rupees and Amazon had taken 65 rupees for delivery. If you want this product, then link is in description. So here it is, Sakura White Gel Pen. This is marketed by Hobbycraft. This is 3 types of pen. First 5 number, second 8 number and third 10 number. This is a set of 3 pieces of pen. Here it is 8 number pen. Here 8 number and here 5 number and here 10 number. Now I am going to write from this pen. This pen is actually used in drawings. I had also purchased it for drawing. Here I am writing from 5 number pen. So you can see that it is very light. So I am writing from 8 number pen. So you can see that 8 number pen is more whiter than 5 number pen. Now I am going to use this one, the whitest pen, 10 number. So as you can see the difference of all the 3 pens. This number 5 number pen and this is 8 number pen and this one is 10 number. So here is the difference of all the 3 pens: 5 number pen, 8 number pen and 10 number pen. As you can see that 8 number pen is more whiter than 5 number pen and the 10 number pen is most whiter than all the 2 pens. So here is the unboxing of our. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और इस वीडियो को शेयर और हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करना ना